Welcome everyone, welcome to Sereno. Today we're going to be touring Sereno Residence 202 in Bay Harbor Islands, Florida. You just walked in from your private elevator, right into your private foyer. And then we're going to be seeing a 2-bedroom plus den, 2.5 bath, more than 1,300 square feet. This is an amazing residence, especially because it's located in one of the most beautiful areas, which is the islands, Bay Harbor Islands, right next door to Bal Harbour Shops and Bal Harbour, the village of Bal Harbour. This is your living room, dining room area, and your kitchen. One of the nice features about this is the extra high ceilings. If you're looking, these are about 11-foot ceilings. Typical condos are about 9 or 10 foot. So these are higher because they're on the second level and they have a higher ceiling versus the other residences in the building. This is our kitchen area. Kitchen is beautifully equipped with Bosch appliance packages, Bosch stainless steel, Bosch cooktop, and you have a great, beautiful Bosch refrigerator and freezer area. They're all quartz countertops, stainless steel kitchen sink, and beautiful polished chrome kitchen faucet. Here you have the living room, dining room area, and this is really what you're gonna really enjoy. Let me show you the terrace. It's an extended terrace. Look at the width of this terrace. And then come on out and enjoy the great waters of Bay Harbor Islands, which is right here. You have a marina. You have slips at this building, which you're able to, people and friends, or if you have a boat, people could pick you up. And then look at this terrace. Vast, wide, very large. Lounge areas, dining room table, entertaining, great. Also, this is literally 2 minutes from the inlet of Hollover. So you could go out into the deep sea waters, into the ocean. And then also Bay Harbor Islands is known for the great school district. It's laid back luxury, it's casual. And then you could literally walk across the bridge and you're on the beach. You are walking distance to the beach. Follow me, we're gonna show you the other bedrooms and the rest of the unit inside. Back inside, now I'm going to show you the master bedroom, which is also on the east side or right looking on the water. Obviously, take a look at the detail of the flooring. Very large porcelain tiles make the unit much more luxurious, larger. And then you walk into the master bedroom, you're going to notice that it has a porcelain wood look type of feel. So it's a little bit more organic, more beachy. And then look at this master bedroom, nice size, king size, 2 nightstands. Great size, great height, and then beautiful. You wake up to the view, you're right on the water, the palm trees, the feeling of beautiful Bay Harbor Islands. You could see paddleboarders, boating, and you could see the sunrise right from the beach. So it's a great feeling right from your master bedroom. You have your master bath area right over here, double vanity, walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and then obviously your 2 closets, which another one has a walk-in closet at the end. Now we're going to see the other bedroom and the other side of the residence. So over here to your right, you're going to have the powder room, your guest suite for your visitors. And then you're also over here that splits the bedrooms is our den, or some people might want to convert this into an office. Great area to have your desk, or if you want to have your TV in a nice little den area. Off of this den, you also have the washer and dryer. So it's fully equipped. And then we're gonna walk over to the second bedroom, which is a full suite with a walk-in closet, nice sized bedroom, has a double bed here with 2 nightstands, great size. And then over here, your private bath as well off of your bedroom. So it's a private suite, fully equipped with walk-in closet and your bathroom over here, which has a tub, shower, vanity, and water. One more time, Sereno Residence 202 in Bay Harbor Islands, Florida. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath plus den, more than 1,300 square feet. It's listed for $1,099,000 for you to live in this exclusive island in a boutique building that has only 39 residences. And I'm gonna let you enjoy this beautiful view one more time in this great terrace so you can see yourself enjoying, entertaining, the nice waters, the marina, the beaches that are across the street or across the bridge over to Bal Harbour Shops. And again, if you really want to see any more, if you like this video, hit like, and if you want to subscribe to our channel so you could see more properties that we have. And enjoy Bay Harbor Islands, enjoy Miami. Bye everyone.